Time stops when I'm falling for you. The world stops spinning. My head is spinning too. Time stops when I'm falling for you. Should I stop or are you falling for me? Is your world stop spinning? Is your head spinning too? Should I stop or are you falling for me? Is your world stop spinning? Is your head spinning too?
Guys, what is up? This is right back again after a very long stressful week right here. So yup, over here I have is the Hot Wheels. It's the Hot Wheels unboxing video, and today I've got here is a very special car. That's the mx5 Mazda mx5 Miata. It looks so cool, guys. Like, actually, he drifts with this car most often, and this is called the Joyride car. So yup, can't wait to unbox this thing. But before the unboxing this, the previous week I had made about the Talladega, so that video, it was seriously cool. Like, I don't know how do you like it, but please comment down below. So yep, guys, going up to the 15 Mazda mx5 right here. First for the unboxing, and then let's go for the information. So yep, guys, let's begin with this thing. Wow, guys, take a look at this car. It looks so cool. Like, wow. The Mad Mike's badge on the hood of the car, and of course the Hot Wheel logo. Wow, the difference on the tires, of course you can match that. Like, yup, of course you gotta keep changing your tires when you're drifting. In this Joyride car, of course the interior looks pretty cool. Wow, and of course the roll case too. It looks seriously awesome, guys. Well, except for the missing headlamps and of course missing tail lamps and the Hot Wheels as usual. Well, another thing is that I have two Miatas now, which really adds up to the Mazda family right here, which I'm quite happy about. So yep, guys, as we have seen these two beautiful cars right here, why don't we go for the information? So yep, here let's know something about this Mazda mx5. So here it comes. So yep, guys, coming up to the information about the crazy Mad Mike's drift car. That's the Mazda mx5 right here. Why don't we start off with the production? The production actually began in 1989 and is still continuing. Well, coming up to the body style. The body style is actually a two-door convertible. Well, coming up to the engine in a low-end model, you get it in a 1.5 liter, which is a Skyactiv G, dual overhead cams, inline 4-cylinder. Well, if you come up to the high-end model, you get it in a 2-liter Skyactiv G, which is the same dual overhead cam, inline 4-cylinder, just varies in the liters. Well, coming up to the transmission, guys, the transmission of this car is a 6-speed Skyactiv manual, or you get it in an automatic too. Well, coming up to the horsepower. The horsepower of this car is 148 horsepower, which is, yeah, good for this car. Well, going for the length. The length of this car is 3,915 millimeters, guys. Talking about the width of this car is 1,730 millimeters. Well, coming up to the 0-60, the acceleration time, it does it in 6.5 seconds, which is a little too much for a miniature car like this. Well, coming up to the top speed, the best part, all the car enthusiasts gather up here. The top speed of this car is 130 miles per hour. Well, that's okay, fine type. Well, coming up to the last, that's the price. Major people, get over here. The price of this car actually begins at $24,915 to $30,065, which is, yup, a little bit costly if you want to roll with these. So, yep, guys, as I've ended up all the information right here, why don't we go for the special facts? So, yep, let's see what's it got here. So, yep, guys, here it tells that this car was awarded World Car of the Year on March 24, 2016 at the New York Auto Show, which is actually good. Like, this car is quite compact and, yup, it's suitable to all the teenagers. Yup. I really love this car. It's my personal favorite too. And of course, seeing Mad Mike drift in this, it's totally awesome, guys. So, yep, guys, as I've ended up all the information, you know what to do. Just hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and share to all your friends and family. I'll see you all next week, guys, with another car. So, yep, guys, stay tuned. Bye-bye now.